Hey. Captain Chris Johnson here. I'm jumping on a little early because Marty had texted me about 15 minutes ago that he lost his internet. And Marty DeGarmo will be going live at 2 o'clock. I'll repeat that toward the end of the message. Wait for people to jump on here. So let me tell you what's going on today. I know Julie Wen is doing something with phones. I'm not sure of the time, and I'm sure she'll post that out in the back office or share it out. She was telling people that to get on this, to teach them how to use an Android phone with their phone. So thank you, Julie, for that. Tonight, 9 o'clock, very, very important. We are continuing the Obless for founders. We want to hear what you got to say. I told you on Tuesdays it's going to be for special guests, and for Thursdays will be founders. So that'll be at 9 o'clock. Marty lost his internet. He made me a new link, so I got to wait till I got to wait for him to get on there and get going there. Oh, there is some people on here. I'm sorry, but very, very important. We had our second Obless meeting on last Tuesday. Had some phenomenal stuff on there. Still waiting to hear from Mr. Ashmafura. I know he's very busy this week, and hopefully we'll hear into that what he has to say about it. So I'm really important. I do have a few people lined up for the next couple of weeks to talk on Tuesdays, but tonight founders only at 9 o'clock. And not founders only. Anyone can come. Anyone. You got a neighbor that loves to help people, help out with any kind of charity. Get him on there. It's open to anyone. What else is going on today? I might as well talk about Friday. Still waiting for the time for the Dubai show on Friday. We're not sure the time. We think it's almost about the same time as last Friday because that's when we do it. That's when it's nighttime in Dubai. But as soon as I get that information, with Marty's internet being out, it's messing me all up. So DeGarmo, I know he's probably got storm. It's kind of warm here, but not really sunny. But hopefully he gets it going, and he'll be able to tell us some more stuff by 2 o'clock. I thought I would just jump on here and calm you all down, because you guys all got that Marty phobia too. Word of God, where's Marty? But all right, let me say hi real quick. Lister T, how you doing? Hashar Sinj, what's happening? Shahin Muhammad, how you doing? You hear my voice is still shot. Pampa Gasmer, how you doing? Lister T, my beautiful sister, how you doing? Keep up what you're doing there. Oh, it's jumping all over the place. Pampa Gasmer, what's happening? Robert Tentula from Joyzy, hey boy, I caught you for once, eh? Mazarul Mahan, how you doing? Helen D. Labastide, how you doing? Tanya Passive, there you are. Tanya said it's 3 a.m. for me, just put my clock alarm. Yeah, all over the world where they're coming from. Izuzu Shiza, how you doing? John White, I know my buddy Bill, I was just texting with him. He's not feeling that good. Say some prayers for me. He's pretty tired. He's been working around the clock, making all kind of posts. And I told him, take a break, dude. You don't have to be on here. We'll take care of it later. So, but tonight at 9 o'clock, very, very important to me, and I know to many of you, we want to hear your solutions, your ideas. And I know there's going to be a lot of hands raised. I do have a running order from last week, the prior last week's Tuesday. I will be starting off with those names. I had written them all down. Thanks to Robin Noble for that one. Because my camera took pictures, but I couldn't see nothing as usual. Hold on, water break. Last night we had the Julie Milo show. It was very good. We talked a little bit about everything. We talked about Obless. We talked about bringing these corporations in through Onpassive. Now, what we're doing, guys, is we're just trying to get ideas. That one, I'm not going to lie, was pretty amazing for what it can do and how it can help a lot of people all over the world. But remember, we promote Onpassive. We're promoting Obless, and we want everyone to come through Obless and Onpassive with all these great inventions or technologies that have to actually help humanity. Greatest thing in the world. My schedule's going to be a little busy this morning. That's actually why I'm kind of glad Marty's internet went out. I can get this done. Hey, Jim Gaddis, what's happening? Rupa Paul, my beautiful sister from India. Gemma, what's happening? That's Lister T's sister. Is it Ramaki? I hope I said that right, Gemma. Juanita, Michael, how you doing? Casey Zevenbergen, how you doing? Or is it Casey? I'm sure it's Casey. Alicia McGuire, there you are. Thank you for the prayers for Bill. Hey, man, I always pray, guys. Pray for every one of us. But, yeah, throw some special ones in for my brother Bill. Dawn McIntyre, my beautiful sister, how you doing? Ooh, here's that tough one again. Achilles, I cannot even say your last name. But let's see. Ada Ruperamabel. If I said that wrong, I'm sorry. Horrible at that. You know us English guys. Fojor Ali, how you doing? Yvonne Armanette, what's happening? Pam Stanowich, how you doing? Yeah, well, bless is very exciting. Lynn Nakamoto. Lynn, I'm hoping Julie gets on here. Julie, if you see this, can you send Lynn a text message? She'd like to attend your class today about the phones. She'd like to learn, so hopefully she gets out. I'll send her a message also, Lynn. Fatmata, what's happening? Woo! Had a little texty-wexty with Fatmata last night. Very interesting. She was asking Chris, you know, where I come from, my country, the water's horrible, and she wants to help. I had a long texting with her. She knows exactly what she's got to do. Jean S. Olivia, ooh boy, I can't wait. I can't wait to talk to Jean the dancing machine. That's going to be something really good with that. Jean is putting together. We'll let you know what that is when it happens. Avik, how you doing? Bizwat, how you doing? Tony Monk, what's happening, my brother? Oh boy, it's jumping all over the board, and I'm terrible. But guys, anyway, Onpassive, as you all know, is here. Okay, lighting up buildings in Dubai, owning 2 floors in Dubai, and I know we're really talking about Dubai because it's important. It's very important to let people know how hard it is to get in Dubai and what Ash Mafar has actually accomplished over there. Tomorrow, and I don't know the time yet, he's going to be lighting up Dubai again with, I believe, a different ad, different marketing. His marketing is completely different than anyone. He erased all marketing, and he's starting brand new with brand new marketing, and it's pretty amazing, actually. So, but I will let you know that time. What else is going on today? A lot of webinars going on, I know, around the clock. Marty, 2 o'clock, who just jumped on here. Marty won't be going live till 2 o'clock. He lost his internet. I fired him. Gotta love when I can fire him. I know Red will not be doing a live today. He'll be coming on at 2 o'clock, or excuse me, 11 o'clock tomorrow and Friday. If anything happens or anything comes up, and as soon as we get the the links, yeah, I'm a little under the weather myself. As soon as we get the links for Friday, we will post them all out. We're not sure what he's going to do yet, but usually Ash likes to let us know prior, sometimes real prior, and we get to work. I think tonight's going to be another late night. So, but be ready for that. As soon as Marty gets me the link for the 9 o'clock tonight, I will post it in the back office. I know Bill, we asked Bill to kind of take the poster ahead. Robin wants to dial it up a little bit, put some Bill Must Bling Bling. So I know he's tired. Whatever he's got to do, he'll do it. And we'll go from there. But I will have all that posted in the back office, my Facebook. And I appreciate you all sharing it out because that helps me do a lot of postings. So anything I do, you can share, guys. I don't care who shares it. I love that you share it. It helps all of us out. It helps break people out of their shell through me. Let me be you. I'll talk for you. I got no problem with that. All right, guys. Let me see anybody else new on here. MD Saldul, how you doing? Muhammad Rahman Mithu, how you doing? And I tell you what, Mafus last night, he sends me these wonderful videos from Bangladesh, Mafus, of his daughters. Now, I'm not going to share those, but his daughters not only are just beautiful cuties, but they got these voices, they're like angels. He had sent me some sound bites of his daughters telling me, hey, hi. And the one speaks actually pretty good English. She's teaching her little sister, which is really cool. So I gave him a surprise. I threw him a voice clip from not only Marty DeGarmo, but the unicorn actually talked to him. Julie and Robin were able to talk to him. It was pretty cool. So that's exciting stuff, man. Getting voice clips from around the world from kids, absolutely really love it. It's a lot of fun to hear their voices. And I don't care what language you speak. You say, hey, 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 I know exactly what you're talking about. So, guys, keep getting out there doing those lives. I know we have quite a few people doing them right now. I'm trying to catch them all. I try to share every one of them. If I miss them, if you can see my phone right now is going ballistic, and I try to get everyone on there. I know I have a few people that I have to get back to that want to sign up, so I'm excited about that. I'm just trying to find the minutes of the day so I can do that. But guys, keep sharing this. If someone shares this out, ask them about Onpassive. Ask them about Bless. All right, you can't be in a better spot. You know, $97 to join as a founder when we launch to the world, which I think is going to be pretty soon here, is going to be $300 or less to get your whole package, and that's it. Boom, Onpassive goes to work for you. We market you 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, constantly different things, constantly, and they bring these people in. And now that we're lit up in Dubai, there's other cities coming. Won't know that until the Mr. Ash Mafara lets us know, but we will keep you informed. Myself, Red, Marty, Julie, Robin, Peter Shore, all these wonderful people. We have phone calls on a daily basis, pretty much all day long, all night long, so we can get you the right information. So stay tuned, stay plugged in. If you got a happy birthday today, Bruce Bryant, I know it's Bruce Bryant's birthday today. He's on Julie's team. Happy birthday, Bruce. Anyone out there that has a birthday, happy birthday to you. I know this isn't too exciting today because it caught me off guard, but sometimes I'm not exciting. That's me. I can't help it. I don't want to sing because my voice is shot. I don't want to dance because my back hurts. Hey, I'm getting old. That's just part of it. But you know what? Being old isn't such a bad thing when you know you're a founder. Why? Because we know what's coming at us. All right? Your pain is all going to go away when we launch to the world. You're going to forget about everything bad in your life, and you're going to turn around and help people with those problems now. That's the greatest thing about it. So get in this. Stay plugged in. Big shout out for prayers for the world. Big shout out for prayers to God for peace, love, happiness. I know they're still celebrating Ramadan. Happy Ramadan. We have Passover. We have many, many different cultures or different religions that are celebrating something for God and for their cultures. Hey, amen to all you. Keep praying. It's a great thing. We accept anyone, everyone. It doesn't matter. Onpassive takes all, and we're all going to go straight to the top together. Wipe out all the bad stuff in the world. We don't hate. We love. We spread peace. That's what Onpassive is. People say, oh, we're not a cult. We're a business. We're a family business. Okay? And we listen to some guy who I love called Ash Mafara. He has many great things that he's going to do in this world, and he's letting us come with him to share his visions, his dreams, and what he's accomplished to the world. You can't beat that, folks. You really, really can't beat that. All right. I'm going to get going. Like I said, Marty DeGarmo will be coming on at 2 p.m. EDT today. He lost his internet. Whew, thank God he saved me some work. But now, once his internet turns on, I got a lot of work to do. Posting these links. Check out the back office. I know they're working on the back office. A lot of people are saying they can only see their first area. Don't worry about it. They know about it. They're working on it. Pay attention to the back office. You got to remember, guys, Ash Mafara is going from 6 in the morning to 6 at night, back to 6 in the morning. Non-stop working. Something comes up, he's on the phone. He's talking to the tech team. He's understanding what's happening to get it fixed as fast as he can. And he's doing it. But just be patient. Patience is perfect because it's coming. All right, guys. If I missed you on let me see if I missed. Jay Mookie. There's Mafoose. I was just talking about your beautiful kids, Mafoose. Keep those coming. You know I love them. You got some stars there, buddy. Just beautiful voices. Sherry Dursaway, you caught my live. I just shared yours from last night. Sherry, I'm way behind my schedule. We are family, Lister T. You said it correct. We are the best, most beautiful family in the world. We're going to help change the world. Residual income for everyone who wants it. Everyone who wants it. $97. Woo! You can't go wrong. I bet you all went out and bought a lottery ticket because it's up to like 400 million. Save your money. You're not going to win. I love saying that one. All right. I got to get going. If I missed you, I will get you in the comments. Appreciate all for what you're doing. And let's just do this, folks. I'll see y'all later. Ciao.